53, using synthetic division in polynomials. Let's divide the following. 4x cubed minus 7x squared minus 20x plus 35 over x plus 2. Well, there is a long division method. You could do the long division. I do have a long division video on the blog. You can check that out. Synthetic division has us do this. You take the denominator. You set it equal to 0. X is negative 2. Put it inside the box. You list all the coefficients. 4, negative 7, negative 20, 35. Right along the top part of this problem. Then, what we do is we're going to add 4. Okay, this is a 0 here, so 4 plus 0 is 4, times negative 2 is negative 8. Then we're going to add the 7 and 8 together. Negative 15 times negative 2 is 30. Add 10 times negative 2 is negative 20. Add 15. This is your remainder, so that goes in the numerator for your answer. So now look what happens here. Your answer becomes 4x squared minus 15x plus 10. This should be plus 10, excuse me. All right, plus 15 over x plus 2. Now, why is this a squared? How do I know this is 4x squared? Because we have 4x cubed divided by an x. You have a third degree divided by a first degree. That's going to give you a second degree. Notice how your first term is going to be 4x squared. Okay? Here's another example. In this example here, notice how the x term is not there. There's a fourth, a cubed, a second, and there's no x. There is a constant term. So you do x equals 3, put it in the box. Notice how what you're going to do here. 1, negative 7, 2, 0, negative 5. Just do the same exact thing we just did in the last problem, and you're all set. Bring down the 1. 1 times 3, right there. Negative 4 times 3, negative 12. Add, negative 10 times 3, negative 30. Add, negative 30, negative 90, negative 95. Then your remainder is minus 95 over x minus 3. Notice how fourth power divided by x is x cubed. That's why we knew the first term was x cubed. Then it just goes right down the line. Okay? So any questions or concerns, please send an email, and of course, good times.